Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if your iPhone display the message that charging on hold, charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature in iOS 17 or you are in your iPhone 15 series, it means that your device is expressing temperature related issue while trying to charge. This is a built-in safety feature designed to protect your iPhone 15 battery and preventing from overheating. Here are what you can do to resolve this issue. First of all, you have to check the temperature. Ensure that your iPhone is not in an environment with extreme temperatures. Charging your iPhone 15 in very hot or very cold conditions can lead to this message. Bring your iPhone to more moderate temperature if needed. After this, then you have to remove any obstructions. Make sure that make sure there is nothing obstructing the cooling system of your iPhone 15. If you have a case on your device, consider removing it while charging to allow for better heat dissipation. After applying these and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to disconnect and reconnect the charger. Unplug the charger from your iPhone 15 and then reconnect it. Sometimes simply reestablishing the connection can resolve the issue. Then you have to use a genuine Apple charger. Ensure that you are using an official Apple charger and the cable. Low quality or third party chargers may not regulate temperature and charging as effectively. Then you have to charge in a cooler environment. If you are in a hot environment, try moving to a cooler location to charge your iPhone. High temperature can affect the charging process. And then you have to restart your iPhone. If the temperature is extremely high and causing issues, you can try restarting your iPhone. Simply tap on your settings, then go to general, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later and try charging it again. After it still isn't charging, then you have to update iOS. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. iOS software updates can sometimes include improvement related to charging and temperature management. Simply tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is any update available for your iPhone 15. If there is, then update your iPhone 15 to the latest iOS version. After applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check for obstruction in the charging port. Inspect the charging port for any debris or lint that may be blocking the connection. Use a clean, soft brush or compressed air to remove any obstructions. After applying this all and still the same issue, then you have to contact Apple support. If the issue persists and you cannot resolve it with the steps, it's advisable to contact Apple support or visit an Apple Store authorized service provider. They can provide further diagnostics and assistance. And if necessary, assess the health of your iPhone's battery. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.